Thank you for tuning in. Let's check out this nice truck. It's a 2016 Ford F-150 5-liter V8. Nice looking truck. It has 2-inch lift. It has nice side bars, side steps, beautiful red color, new grille, or the new looks after the redesign. Look how great this truck looks. So I think the red for Ford F-150 truck is one of the best colors for a couple of reasons. You do have first of all, red looks very good on big large surfaces like a truck body, and then you do have these black elements on this truck that matches really well together with the with the red color. So if we look at the front, we can see it right here. Very nice large grille, and then you have these plastic elements that work really well together with this big hood. I like how the hood goes right here to the A-pillars, and you can see these distinct lines going in there, and this little dip in the front as well. It just makes it look more aggressive, sporty, and awesome. So 2 headlights, and then the fog lights right here. Nice looking wheels. So these are aftermarket upgraded wheels with nice rubber on them, so that tire looks still almost like brand new. Very nice design where you have not full black, but you do have these machined aluminum, I guess, looks right here. So all that looks makes this truck look really, really nice. And of course, the fact that it's lifted a little bit also makes it look really, really nice. And the side view, we can see that there is tonneau cover, and we have the sliding window right here. Those are nice options to have. A lot of people add good amount of value in those things. Backup camera, we can notice that in the back. Nice big Ford badge, backup sensors, tow package. I really like the chrome exhaust tip. That's basically the only chrome part on the vehicle, but it looks nice. It stands out. I think if this would be blacked out, it wouldn't look as great. The chrome exhaust tip is definitely a good thing to have on this truck. So this one here is a V8 engine, proper V8. Still a lot of people who love those V8s. I'm one of them as well. The way it sounds, the way it starts, the way it goes, it's really nice. Cloth interior on this one. You don't have the sunroof or leather or those kind of goodies, right? But XLT is one of those trim levels that's all about practicality and the things you need. However, you do get nice leather wrapped steering wheel. Power adjustable pedals are there as well. If we hop in, we can still see it's a proper F-150 laid out as a truck. We have nice big screen, and these vents right here gives you the truck like feel. Good solid cup holders for your large drinks. Big shifter, so you have a feeling that you're shifting a truck, so to speak. Let's start it up. Just a regular key. You don't have the push to start. Really nice display right here. Navigation you have here as well, and this is touch screen. So you do have these modern day amenities basically paired with still old school elements like dials and buttons, and just a regular key to start. Nice big shifter. The center console is huge as well. You could easily put a laptop or a lunchbox or whatever. More cup holders right here. Second row, lots of space. It's a flat floor right there, so once you flip up those seats, it's completely flat. Very, very practical if you're using your truck for practical reasons. Very nice steering wheel, and it's also very good laid out, so those buttons are easy to reach, easy to push. So Ford has definitely done a great job on designing this F-150. No wonder it's been best-selling truck for decades now, I think. So screen like that, I like where you have just a regular dials, and then the LCD screen with color. It's a little bit smaller, but it's in the middle right here. I really like how these dials come up in blue. That looks pretty cool as well. So the interiors is definitely quite nice for Ford, and this particular looks also very good. I really like this red color, lifted. Overall great looking truck. has about 129,000 kilometers, but definitely shows as if it will have less kilometers just based on the condition it's in. Exterior, interior, tires, wheels, everything else. Sharp looking truck. So thank you so much for checking it out. Make sure you subscribe to the channel if you haven't already for many more used car and truck walkarounds. Thank you so much, and see you next time.